She's a beautiful kitty cat. If we had caught her a little younger, she wouldn't be feral.
Probably.
Do you think she's adoptable, though?
We'll have her assessed and we'll let you know. They tend to calm down once they see where they're at.
She's very pretty.
Oh yeah. Look who else I got in the back. Check the back. Check the back. I don't think you saw the back. Look in the back.
No. You got the mom?
I got a big one. I don't know if it's mom.
Oh my God.
This.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Coco. 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 Arthur, you caught that one around the front?
In the front? Yeah.
Unbelievable. This is quite a day. This is quite a haul.
So you got two babies, and this might be dad.
Oh, might be dad,
Yeah.
not mom.
That's not mom. His head is too big.
Oh,
So
that's wonderful. It's a good day.
Oh yeah, good day.
The whole family almost.
Yeah, so I got a trap up front for mom, and we'll see how I
Oh, good.
get her.
That's fantastic.
We can go ahead and finish this
Now,
up
if
for
I
you guys.
see any of the black ones, I'll release them.
Gotcha.
Oh, this is so terrific. I appreciate everything.
No, for sure. And that's it for the back, right?